Vesa. This is a very luxurious moment I'm interrupting.
It's my self-care moment. So this Foreo mask, 15 minutes at a time. Red is for anti-aging, blue is for blemishes, and green is for dullness.
Nice. I really like that it's 15 minutes as well because it doesn't feel like an ordeal and you're getting the benefits of a facial.
It's a spa at home.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can use it whilst you're watching TV.
And would you put a serum with it or as is?
Yeah, you can use the serum definitely, but you can use it on its own.
We know you're famous for your skincare routine, but we've got some lovely products here. What would your top tips be?
So cleansing is my one thing that I can't not do. And one of my favorite cleansers at the moment is BioEffect. It's a gel to milk cleanser, and it takes away all of your makeup easily.
It feels quite cooling even though it's not been in the fridge. It's quite a nice refreshing feel.
I just love the texture. It just takes away everything.
Do you ever use a mist? Because actually I've just recently incorporated this into my skincare. I know I probably should a while ago.
Exactly.
But Charlotte Tilbury's Hydrator Mist I like to use before any skincare just to really flood the skin with hydration. But actually I'm finding it's very nice throughout the day as a top-up when you're feeling a bit dry.
I haven't tried that, but I'm willing to try it.
How often do you use a toner? Because I'm a bit scared where I've got combination skin. Can I use it every day?
Every day.
Every day,
yeah.
Okay.
I didn't use toners for years, and now I'm back on toners. So toners are making a comeback.
I love that.
And the Ren Glow Tonic definitely gives you that glow. And you just use it with a cotton pad and you swipe on your skin.
So what's that going to do for my pores then? Is it around pores?
Yeah, just cleans your face, takes all the impurities away, and keeps those pores clean.
Nice, so after cleansing.
After cleansing.
I can see the Ordinary over there.
Yes.
Is that one of your go-tos?
I love Ordinary, and the hyaluronic acid is one of my hero products. I'm always looking for that hydration, and to add this under your moisturizer.
I mean, a lot of products have hyaluronic acid in them.
Yes.
Is this one of the best ones you use?
Especially for more aging skin.
Yeah.
You need more hydration.
Yeah.
But at the same time, you need to lock it in. So you can't use it on its own. You need moisturizer on top of it.
Okay, nice. And would you recommend this for any skin type with hyaluronic acid?
Every skin type.
Fine.
Yes.
So it wouldn't necessarily break me out if I was more oily?
No. I love my luxury moisturizers. And La Mer is
I wouldn't expect anything less from Vesa.
Exactly. At winter, I use a rich cream.
Okay.
But in the summer, I go for the gel cream. And it's really cooling.
Ooh. Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah.
It's lovely. So what do you gain from this moisturiser with it being luxury? How does it fit into your skincare routine?
It's the last thing I use
Yeah.
before I go to bed. And this just gives my skin really moisturized and supple.
Nice. Do you use a retinol Vesa? Because there's a lot out there at the moment. I would love to know a bit more about who should use retinol, if I should add it to my skincare routine.
I used to be afraid of retinols myself, but I found a product that is gentle enough because I've got quite a sensitive skin.
Yeah.
Retinol is good for fine lines. So if you feel that you've got concerns regarding fine lines, then you should start retinol.
Okay. So there's different strengths of retinol, isn't there, out there? So
Yes.
how would you recommend getting into it?
I would start once a week
Yeah.
and then build from there to twice a week and to see how your skin reacts. But, listen to your skin.
Yeah.
Fragrance is very personal, so you need to understand what are those notes that you like and find similar notes to start that journey. So everyone knows Creed Aventus, but my favorite is the Green Irish Tweed by Creed. It's very lush green fragrance, so especially kind of like this spring, it's great fragrance.
I'm really loving at the moment. There's an exciting collaboration between Acne Studios and Frederick Malle, and it has that woodier undertone and base, but slightly more powdery, slightly more. I think there's peachy tones, and I just think it's a nice.
It's very aldehydic.
Nice, exactly, and I think it just freshens up my scent for the spring.
So Mask Therapy by Initio is what I would wear in the morning.
Oh, so you're layering, starting with the morning and then adding something in the evening.
It's very light. Ooh. It's got white and pink musk.
That's lovely.
But then in the evening, I would layer Oud for Greatness from Initio on top of it. So it's to find that balance of dark and light.
Nice, because I would have thought you started with your more oody darker, but actually you're mixing it up.
Not on this occasion. Jo Malone, London, cypress and grapevine, woody, green, spicy as well. And it's
something
great
a
for
bit different.
guys.
Yeah, it's lovely.